Hi, I'm Joel Johnson. I'm the Big Country Gun Guy, owner of GunStuffStore.com. And this is...
Misha Johnson. I'm the Little Country Gun Girl, and we'll tell you about gun firearm safety. Number 1, treat a gun as if loaded.
Clear.
Number 2, always point in safe directions.
And never do what?
And never flag it at people.
That's right. And now number
3, know your target and beyond. Number 4, finger off the trigger. As always. Thank you, kids, for watching. And stay safe, and learn about the good rules.
And like and subscribe. And share.
Like and subscribe and share the like.
Good job. Yeah. America. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Tomorrow, 4th of July.